right? So what this frame event will do, right? So frame, I'll change this to frame, frame event, right? So the frame event is basically used for browser. Browser means, okay, if we use this property on load, right, before running this program, before running this HTML program, what we written after this onload property, to run this one, you have to give the permission. Okay, it's loading, it is loading until you give permission that this program will not execute. Okay, means you are giving a, what you're giving a event for browser. You're giving an event for browser, giving an event for the browser, ultimately giving event for the frame, right? Here in this frame, our code is executing the browser. We consider browser as a frame here, right? When you use on load, until you give permission, the rest of the code will not execute. Okay, I will show on load alert, right? Alert. In this, I will use like onload program, onload message, onload message, onload message. Okay, so close this alert, and I will copy. Will save the entire program. Save. Go here. Refresh. See, it's loading. It's loading until you click OK. Until you click OK, then the rest of the thing will execute here. Okay, otherwise it is still in loading state. Okay, you're say telling the browser, okay, until my permission, you don't run that code. Okay, when I click on this one, then that piece of code, this rest of the code will execute, then it is displayed in my browser. This is what a frame event. This is what a frame event. Okay, one simple example I showed